Hey everybody, we are exploring the desert here in the springtime. Click that oh jeez, I wipe out. Hey everybody, we are exploring the desert here in the springtime. Click that subscribe button to continue exploring with us. We are in the White Tank Mountains.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Hey everybody, what's going on? We are driving across Phoenix to the White Tank Mountains Regional Park. Now we're heading down the South Trail right now, trying to see if we can find these incredible wildflowers that we've been seeing on Facebook. And we're also enjoying this beautiful spring weather here in the desert.
On my way down memory lane,
Alright, so we just bumped into another hiker heading back, and she told us that really there's not a whole lot of wildflowers on this particular trail. We are getting treated to some awesome desert scenery, particularly because everything is just so green right now from all the rain. So the park rangers gave us another location, another trail at the other end of the park, the north side, where they say there's also wildflower bloom, so we're going to head up there.
by the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris. Take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun. And then we
Alright, so we just parked in area number 7 and we're on the Waddell Trail. And again, this is one of the areas that we were told that we might get some wildflowers, but we have one problem. This park is, for photography, probably mostly a morning park, because take a look at the sun right now. So we're probably down to about 30 minutes until this area is in shadow. So we're going to head out there as fast as we can and see if we can find some of these wildflowers before we lose the light.
beliefs, ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave.
Well, this may turn into more of a landscape photography episode, because so far we are striking out on what we're hoping be large areas of bloom. We do see blooms in certain areas, but, well, as my wife just put it, we got spoiled this morning at Bartlett Lake. But if you want desert, classic desert imagery, just take a look at all the saguaros around me. This place is beautiful, and I'm hoping that I might get a chance to pull out my camera.
Stars and holy sun. And then we crossed America.
Yeah, I think we got spoiled this morning at Bartlett Lake. So yes, there are wildflowers everywhere. They're just really sparse and really not going to make much of an image. The desert right now is just unusually green, which is spectacular, but we just can't see enough of the flowers. So what we're thinking is there is another trail to a possible waterfall that we're going to head back to. We're about almost a mile into this trail right now, so we're going to head back to the car and drive down to area number 6, which is where the waterfall trail is. Alright, so we're about halfway up to the waterfall right now, and we are at the petroglyphs. So when you get here, take a look at that big rock up there, and you'll see some very ancient artwork.
Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in my signs.
Alright, I think we've come up to the point where it's supposed to be a waterfall.
Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on.
we have a waterfall.
I'm in love, you're a star, burning bright in my heart. We're going away, get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made, lock your door, need no more. It's already paid, cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life and I'm your ride. Hang on.
Well, we found the waterfall. It really wasn't flowing all that much, but hey, we found a waterfall in Arizona. So we are in the White Tank Mountains Regional Park, and this is the waterfall trailhead, or the waterfall trail that we're on. So you might have noticed, for those of you who have been watching this channel regularly, that most of the videos for the last 2 months have come from Arizona. And the reason is because I am out here enjoying this absolutely beautiful weather we have there during this time of the year. But I do have a travel schedule to keep, and my passport is about to come out. So click that subscribe button, share these videos, and continue to follow my adventures around the world. And remember, never stop exploring.